Zoom, 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 zoom. Hello and welcome to Gotta Eat Breakfast Edition. Today we are making McDonald's inspired egg English McMuffin. I don't know what else to call it, right? McMuffin is a McMuffin is a McMuffin is a... Right, what you'll need some pork sausages, egg, slice of cheese, and your English muffins. Let's get into it. Cut your English McMuffins in half because you need to toast them. No one wants a dry, cold... Okay, so you want to turn your hot plate on so that you can toast your English muffins. So you want to get some olive oil into your pan, make sure that it's even, Stevens, around. Take your English muffins, toast them nice, get some oil onto both sides. You're going to leave them a little bit, let them heat up. While they're heating up, take your pork sausages. You want to squeeze out the sausage onto a plate because you're going to make your patty. This is a little bit weird at first, but I believe in you, and you can squeeze the pork out of your sausage. After you've squeezed your meat out of your sausage, you want to season it. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, make sure that your buns do not burn, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And you kind of want to mash it together, right? You're just going to make a little ball, mix it all together. Once you've got your ball nicely seasoned, go check your buns. Not with these hands though. Sometimes I feel like the accidental chef. Like, what am I doing? Okay, keep a close eye on those English muffins. You really don't want them to burn, but you just want them to be nice and golden. Okay, while that's heating up, grab yourself a plate, because just like every other breakfast, it's always best served hot. Hot and ready to go. That's how you keep the masses happy. Once your English muffins are toasted, grab them off, put them on your plating plate. Add a nice dollop of your olive oil into the pan. Chuck your patty into your pan. Once you put your patty into your pan, you want to turn the heat up just a little bit. You want it to be sizzling, you want it to be hot. It doesn't take very long, it takes 3 to 4 minutes for the patty to go. Here's the special sauce. You take your spatula and you press it down, right? We're making a smash patty today. Mama, I'm a chef. Ah, that's hilarious. All right, while you got your patty on the sizzle, you want to take your cookie cutter to make sure that it doesn't stick to your cookie cutter like my patty stuck to my spatula. You want to sprinkle and dust, smear some olive oil onto your cookie cutter. Crack your egg, put it alongside in it. They should take about the same amount of time to cook side by side. A little bit of sizzle. Who doesn't like to sizzle together, right? Sizzle, sizzle, lemon shizzle. Right, so quick tip. When you're making your breakfast and your McMuffins, if you grab yourself a lid and you pop it on top, the steam will help cook the egg. It'll make it go a lot quicker. But as you flip the patty, little special technique, you take your cheese and you pop it on top. The heat of everything will help the cheese melt and you'll be ready to plate just like that. Okay, who's getting excited for breakfast? I am. Once it's done and it's all sizzling nicely in the pot and in the pan, you want to plate it. Let's take our patty off. You don't want it to cook too much. I mean, you definitely want pork. This is great. You want pork to cook fully through. It's just a rule of thumb with pork. Plate that. You want to grab your egg, not with your hand like a Neanderthal. Lift it a little bit onto a plate. Grab your cookie cutter and take your knife and you just want to run it along the edge just to loosen that egg up so that it pops out. For those noobs out there, quick little tip and trick, and it comes out close as anything to perfect. Right? Restaurant style eggs for the win, baby! Right, get that on top. Oh, looking delicious. If you don't like your egg a little bit runny, a little bit yolky, cook it, turn it over. Easy over eggs is always a winner. Salt and pepper to season. Looking good. What's cooking good looking? Right, once it is plated, it is ready to eat. Grab the top of your English muffin and you turn it into your breakfast English McMuffin. An English sausage muffin. 2 drums and a cymbal commit suicide. Right, let's give it a go. Ain't nobody got time for knives and forks. Amazing. I'm a Neanderthal. I'm eating with my mouth full. I'm talking with my mouth full. Amazing, super quick, super easy. 4 ingredients and you're good to go. Easy breakfast. Thank you so much for joining us on this breakfast edition of Gotta Eat. We'll see you at the next one, because everyone's gotta eat.